And I just made a video right here, and I kind of violated my own rules. I'm out here a little bit longer than I wanted to be because I started doing something and I started moving some dirt around and I was having a good time. But I saw something that I would like to share because I think a lot of people that maybe watch what we do here are interested in milking cows, and I sure am. It's a really exciting thing to do on a farm. But these are my girls right here. Let me turn it around. And there's 5 of them in here, and they're mixed. Got a couple of a Holstein, couple of Jerseys. That's a Guernsey right there. And they seem to be waiting for something. They're waiting for a certain passage of time, and then they're going to go out and they're going to start eating for the day. All right. But then we have this little beauty over here. She's, I don't know, 4 months old, maybe. Her name's May. She's a Guernsey heifer. And so she will be here for a long time. Quite possibly. She will be here. And she's a real friendly gal. And I just put her out here, I'd say about a week ago. Let me sit down here in the shade. Put her out a week ago, and we had to put a thing on her nose that has little barbs on it, so if she decides that she's going to start nursing off of her mom, that she'll poke the mom and the mom will kick her away. It didn't happen. I watched her and she didn't even think about doing it unless it happened at night when I didn't see it. But anyway, we took the thing off of her nose and she's been out here ever since. She slipped under the wire a couple times because the girls do not like to get shocked on the electric fence. And I don't turn the fence on because I don't like to get shocked by it either, but it's there. And so I put her in here and then I turned the fence on. And she got shocked a couple times, evidently, because that was the end of her cruising around. Because when she was born, the day that she was born, you may remember this, and this caused kind of a stir. A lot of people kind of got up in my grill, you know what I'm saying? They got up in my grill. But through the passage of time, we can see that when she was born, it was right before milking time. We slid the door open. Her mom, who's Ruby, a little Jersey, slid in to get milked. She wants to get milked. She had licked the calf off. The calf was fine, still laying down. When Ruby was in being milked, we came out and got her. Came out with the front end loader and picked her up. She's heavy enough you had to do that. And brought her up to the house. We have a place up there when we have new calves that we keep them close to us. And then we milk Ruby out. We get all of her colostrum. That'll be the first milk that she produces. And it's about 3-4 days that she's producing kind of brownish milk. It's good for a lot of things, but not for making chocolate milk, I'll tell you that. And then we would feed it to May. And so May winds up bonding to us, right? When she sees me coming, her ears start going, tails wagging and stuff. She sees us as her, I don't know, mom, I don't think so. Just the bringer of food, the person who scratches ears, you know. And so she likes us. She's bonded to us. And you want that in a milk cow. A lot of my animals, I prefer that they move away from me when I have to be in with them. But the milk cows, not so much. I want them to be familiar with me. I want them to like me and, you know, come to me. Beef cows, no. You don't want 20 cows running in your direction all to get their ears scratched. You don't want that. You want them to kind of keep their distance. You know, they'll come close just to smell you and look at you, but they don't want to be scratched or anything like that because we don't do that with them. But now and this is kind of a significant part of this whole way of we do things. Now we have to introduce her back into this herd, right? And where she's not going to nurse her mom, she's not interested in her mom. She's really not interested in them because they don't look like us. And so we put her out here, and for a week, the girls would head down to eat, and she would just stay up here. Happy, you know, I come out and see her. I try to limit my time with her so she seeks fellowship other places. But then about 3 mornings ago, I looked down, I could see the milk cows all the way down on the back 40, and she was down there. So that is a good feeling. That's a good feeling. I don't know if it ever happens where they never think they're a cow. I don't know if that happens. But anyway, so now she's sort of part of the herd. Not to the point where she will be in the loafing shed with them. I saw her just try to go in there, and they kind of ran her out. Kind of like, punk, get out of here. Who do you think you are? Here, let's see. I'll show you this girl. She is so sweet. Yeah, you're such a good girl. Yeah, you would be inside of me if you could. She just loves people, which is great. It's really great because you want. Oh, she just licked my belly with that tongue. You want that with them.